Hello everyone, good morning. This is Gautam Gali, CWID 5030630. Today I am presenting Android operating system presentation. Let me share my screen to present Android operating system PPT. Android operating system, a software platform, and it's a software platform and operating system for mobile based on the Linux kernel. Android was found way back in 2003. Android is not a single piece of hardware, it is a multi-process system in which each application runs its own process. Coming to the next slide, Android. Android is an open source operating system. So it is largely developed and it is community reach. Due to innovation and low pricing and increased in quality, it is increased in market. It is increased rapidly. Uh, in mobiles and tablets in Android, especially in Android operating system, connecting of applications is very quickly. So it is inter-app integration, and the cost of development is very reduced and very low, and the success ratio in the market is very high, and the environment is rich to develop the Android operating system for mobiles and tablets. Coming to the next slide, Android. Android is developed by a consortium of developers known as Open Handset Alliance and commercially sponsored by Google. It is primarily used as the operating system for phones and tablets all around the world. All other operating systems such as Chrome OS and Windows 11 also allow Android applications natively. History: Andy Rubin, co-founder of Danger; Rich Maynard, co-founder of Wildfire File Communications Inc., Nick Sears, formerly VP at T-Mobile, and Chris White, head of design and interface development at WebTV, formed Anchorpoint Inc. in Palo Alto, California, United States in October 2003 to create. Android includes its own virtual machine, the DVM, which is used to execute the Android program developed by Google and later the Open Handset Alliance, allows writing managed code in the Java language. In 2005, Google purchased the original developer of the software, Android Inc. Next slide, list of Android versions and initial state release. Android 1.0, it, it includes Gmail, Maps, Calendar, and YouTube were among the Google apps included. Android 1.5, and it named as Cupcake. In these, new features were added. An on-screen virtual keyboard was added as well as a framework for the third-party program widgets. Android 1.6, it named as Donut. The OS now has the ability to run a variety of screen sizes and resolutions as well as support for CDMA. Android 2.0, it is named as Eclipse. Turn-by-turn voice navigation and real-time traffic information and pinch to zoom functionality have been added. Android 2.2 released, it is released and type it's named as Froyo. Voice actions and a dock at the bottom of the home screen have been added, allowing users to press the icon and speak a command. Flash functionality was also added to the web browser. Android 2.3, it is named as Gingerbird. Black and green were added to the UI. Android 3.0 to 3.2, it is named as Honeycomb. This edition was only available on tablets and featured a blue holographic design with a space motif. Android 4.0, it is named as Ice Cream Sandwich. Both tablets and smartphones now have a single user interface that emphasizes swiping as a navigational tool. Android 4.1 to 4.3, it's named as Jelly Bean. Introduced Google Now, a day planner service, added interactive information and improved voice search system. Android 4.2, and it is named as KitKat. In this version, introduced lighter colors into the UI along with a transparent status bar and a white icon. Android 5.0 Lollipop incorporated a card-based appearance in the design with elements such as notifications and a recent apps list. Introduced hands-free voice control with the spoken OK Google command. Android 6.0, it is named as Marshmallow. This release marked Google's adoption of an annual release schedule, introduced more granular app permissions and support for USB-C and fingerprint readers. Android 7.0 to 7.1, it is named as Nougat, introduced a native split screen mode and the ability to bundle notifications by app. Android 8.0 to 8.1, it is named as Oreo. These versions introduced a native picture in picture mode and the ability to snooze notifications. Oreo was the first version to incorporate Project Treble, an effort by OMS to provide more standardized software updates. Android 9.0 is named as Pie. Back, home, and overview buttons were replaced by a multi-purpose home button and a smaller back button in this version. Android 10, it is named as Android Q. The back button was removed in favor of swipe-based navigation system, introduced a dark look and focus mode. Android 11 and Android 12 are yet to release. Coming to the next slide, Android features. Android is a sophisticated operating system that rivals Apple's 4G in terms of features. Below is a list of each of them. Beautiful UI connectivity, media support, storage, messaging, web browser, multi-touch, multitasking, accessible widgets, multi-language, GCM, Wi-Fi Direct, Android Beam are the Android features introduced. Android application. The Android software development kit is used to create Android applications which are commonly written in Java. Android applications can simply be packaged and sold through stores like Google Play Store, SlideMe, Opera Mobile Store, Mobango, F-Droid, and the Amazon App Store once they have been produced. Android is used in over 190 countries and powers hundreds of millions of mobile devices. It has the most installed base of any mobile platform and is rapidly expanding. More than 1 million new Android devices are activated every day through the world. What are the advantages of Android? Advantages of Android. Android is an open source operating system based on Linux that may be developed by anybody. Android applications are easily accessible. The battery, mass storage, disk drive, and USB option may all be replaced. It works with all Google services. Can we use it to install a ROM that has been changed? It can handle both 2D and 3D graphics. It is possible to backup and restore applications. You may choose from a variety of mobile models. At low price, it supports large displays. Android smartphones that fold several apps can be used at the same time. These are the advantages of Android. Disadvantages disadvantages of Android. Apps are always running in the background. A lot of tasks in the background cause a battery to deplete quickly. A Google account is required. Because there is a lack of protection, bugs app may be simply to be installed to steal your data from unusual sources. When compared to Objective-C, the Java language often necessitates more code. Android developers are at the crossroads. Virus protection is essential. Google has rigorous guidelines for app creators. Some applications are poor quality. It is not friendly to be elderly. These are the disadvantages of Android. Limitations of Android. Development requirement in Java, Android SDK, Eclipse IDE, and development requirements, Bluetooth drawbacks. Because of Android constraint, Firefox Mobile will not be available on the platform. Requires a constant internet connection due to its small memory space. Conclusion. We believe that future Android versions will overcome current constraints and make future possibilities a reality, and that this software will be developed for usage on PCs as well. The Android operating system is quickly gaining ground on all other mobile operating systems. With one operating system called Android, you may access all Google services. The features of Android versions are continually increasing. Here are the list of references I used to make the Android project. Thank you so much.